Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Sharon. Sharon, thank you for being a patron again this month. Now she requested an Ariel themed spread because she's going to a play, I believe, musical play, something like that. I think with her daughter. So that's super exciting. So I'm actually surprised I still have the Ariel stickers in here. This is a super old book. I don't think it's available anymore, unfortunately. But I actually have, I have Mulan, I have Pocahontas, Tiana. Okay, I have some spreads I can do with this. So I have Aurora. She's my favorite. Okay, so I haven't used her yet, but I haven't used Ariel either. So I'm gonna use, I've used like one sticker apparently. Actually, let me pull these out. Okay. This is Belle. Okay, so I'm gonna do, this just has decorative stickers, so I don't have to worry about this. I just need these two sheets here. Perfect. And then I want to mix it with some florals because I like mixing the princesses with florals. So that one's actually really pretty. That one. This one seems tropical, but I feel like the colors are better with this one. Like the greens look similar, the purples look similar. This one's pretty too, but I feel like this one might be the best match. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. I have boxes and all that fun stuff. I have some washi if I want to do washi, and then I have some pages here. So let me just tear these out because I really don't need to be flipping through this book. It's just these two sheets. Okay, tweezers. So let me start putting down stickers. All right, I haven't done, no, that's a lie. I've done a princess spread. I just did one for myself. What am I talking about? I just did a princess spread. What did I do? Oh yeah, Sleeping Beauty. Because there's a new Sleeping Beauty sticker book. And like I said, she's my favorite. So I was so happy when I saw that book come out. These are, this is an older sticker book. So unfortunately, no longer available, but I love the illustrations in here because they look more like the characters, and I don't know, they kind of look sketchy on the edges, like a little frayed looking, which I think is cute. So yeah, it's a pretty book. Okay, let's put some florals with her here. I'm gonna grab this one. I'll like put her on land over here and sea on this side, I guess. That's kind of how I'm going to do it. And then cut this off. Alright. Always land sticker side down, of course. Okay. And then let's see, which one am I doing here? So let's do her up here a little bit, and then I can do her with flounder. That's super cute. Down over here. Okay, I feel like this is too big to stick on the page, so that's why I'm just focusing on these three Ariels. I think that works. Let's do this Outdream Yourself over here. I'm just sticking the large stuff down first, so I can just work around it. So I feel like the important thing for this spread is the Ariel theme for this spread. So that's the focus. Okay, I'm gonna grab, where'd my tweezers go? Okay, there. Okay. This one. Put this down here. I love these little guys. I'll put them over here. With some bubbles. Cute. Okay. And then let's put Sebastian. Oh, I should put Sebastian. I should put him here actually. Let me move this. I was hanging out with her there. Okay, and then I can put this. Okay, I think that works. Looks pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do another little floral bit here. Okay. All right, I'm trying to think if I want to add washi in, and I really do like this. I love this scallop washi, but I don't think the colors are gonna work. And then I have just these like solid colored ones, which might work. I want to do like more of this green color. Let's see how this one looks. Just to match her tail. It matches. Okay, let me see if I want to add it. I'm going to add it. If I don't like it, I can always take it off. It's going to go on. Oops. Okay, we'll put some down here. Okay, I like that. Oh no. Getting like messages. Okay, I'm gonna put some here. Oh yeah, I really like that. That looks good. A little bit here. Okay. That is actually really pretty. Okay, so now that I have that down, and I'm gonna put some boxes. I think I wanna just focus on pink boxes maybe. So I have pink boxes from Jojo. I think this will be good. Let's see. Although I use this a lot, so I might not have a lot to pick from. Which pink do I wanna do? Kind of matches her dress. I could do two kinds of pinks. I don't know. Ah, my stuff is falling. Okay. I don't know if... Should I do blue? No. Green? I love pink and green, but I don't have this green. My books are just coming apart at the seams because they're just so used. It's a little bit of a mess. Okay, let me see this other pink. Did I do two pinks? Yeah, I'm gonna do two pinks. It's kind of subtle, so I like that. Okay. So, just put some more boxes around the spread, a little bit here, a little bit there. Oh my goodness, I need to see who's messaging me. Hold on, sorry. Okay, just wanted to make sure it wasn't an emergency or anything. So it was like a bunch of messages, but just my mom, and she likes to message like one thing in every, like she'll just like write a couple words and then send it, and then it's like instead of just typing it all out and then sending it kind of thing. I don't know. She likes to do that, so. Just want to make sure everything was okay, so I can continue on with my spread. Okay. Ooh, I really love it. I really love the addition of this pink, this green. That really helps, I feel, for this spread. Like, so good, so good. Okay. So I need a pink box. I need a pink box for over here, and I think I might, yeah, like I'll just layer it over her, so she's kind of like around it. I think that works. And then I could put like a quote or something here. Something. I have, oh my goodness, I have bullet points and checklists and stuff that I could stick down. So let me do that. I put a checklist here. I need to cut it because it's too long. Okay. Another checklist. Wait. Okay. We'll do one over here. I'll cut this one. And then I can do some bullet points. Couple bullet points. Can I move this down? Can I move it down? Okay, good. I can. Okay. So pretty. All right, and then I think I want another something here. I feel like a floral. I want like florals here. So let's see, let's do I like the ones with the lines on them, so let's do this one. Something weird on the page. To fix that because I don't know what's on the page. I'm gonna just lift this up, stick this down. Okay. Then let me fix this. Okay, there's something like on the sticker. Okay. Cool. Oh no, this is messed up. How did that happen? Okay. That's better. All right, so I need something here. No, actually, no, I don't like that I did that. Why did I cover her up? Okay. Let me scoot this down a little bit. Cover this up. And put this down here. Okay, I think that's better. And then I can do something here. I guess I can do flounder still. Yeah. I could do flounder or have this. I don't think this will fit. No, it doesn't fit. Actually, this doesn't really fit anywhere. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do, what else do I have? I don't like that he's like floating, so maybe not that one. Maybe I could stick flowers here. Maybe that's what I need. Let's do these flowers. Kind of just lay them here. Okay, yeah. I think that's the right idea. I'm gonna take this off here. Okay, now I'm gonna stick some of these like little bits here. I have the fork. What does she call it? Like a dingle hopper or something? I don't know. I forgot. I haven't seen this movie in a bit. Let's see. Got some shells. And little bubbles. I like the bubbles. Stick some bubbles around her. Not there. That's kind of funny there. Never mind, scratch that idea. Okay. Okay, I'm looking at it. I had to take a step back from it, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna leave it here. I really like how this turned out. Super pretty. All right, so that is gonna be my spread for Sharon. So Sharon, I hope you like how your spread turned out, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Sharon. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Like I mentioned before, this Disney sticker book isn't available. I highly doubt it's available. So it was from a long time ago. Actually, when did it come out? It says 2020. Yeah, so that was 4 years ago. So yeah, can't imagine it being out there anymore. It's a really nice book though. Hopefully they do something like that again. I really liked it. Although I know some people are over the Disney stuff. I'm not over it. I like it. So yeah, it's really, really pretty. Love how this turned out. I don't know if this one's still available. I just checked. This one is still available. So if you're interested in purchasing, I always have KellofaPlan linked down in the description with my affiliate link and discount code. Also, of course, can't forget Jojo's boxes always come in super, super handy. And those, she's constantly restocking these, so definitely check out her site. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.